Making Nokia headphones work. I hope you all use earphones. And what happens when your earphones don't work? You're in the metro, you're in a room, sharing a room with somebody, and you cannot make the other person hear what you're saying. So obviously you need earphones so that people don't hear your private conversations. But what happens if your bloody phones don't work? Now, a problem like with the Nokia earphone, most of us use Nokia phones. Everybody is not as rich to use Sony Xperia or whatever. So it's basically for students who cannot go invest much. So it's a very homemade technique which will allow you to make your brand new Nokia earphones work. Now, as you can see in this earphone, there is a button which is supposed to increase or decrease the volume. But it is only doing so when you keep holding on to it. Once you leave the button, the voice gets dimmed and there's a lot of disturbance. So how do you keep holding on to it? It's not possible, because that's what earphones are used to for. Earphones would be, yeah. So what do you do is go for a walk, get 2-3 pebbles or stones and a thread and a sellotape and a scissor. Now, once you've got the stone, as you can see in the picture, place the small stone on the button and place it in such a way that it does not move and it presses that button. Then take a thread and start rolling onto that piece over which you place the stone. Now keep rolling it until it gets very tight. Make sure that the thread does not loosen, because that in case will make the stone move and it will change its position and it will not press the button which we are trying to do. So let's see how this thread is being rolled over the stone, and once you think that it is being tightly rolled and the stone is firmly in place, just take the thread off from the source and use. Now let's see what's happening. Okay, finally the stone is in place and the thread is being rolled on. It might make your earphone look a little funny, but then it's fine till the time you can hear what you really want to and not make the other person listen the same. Oh yes, that is why earphones were invented. But sick Nokia. And you should also go and write RIP Nokia on their Twitter website for giving you such fake earphones. Okay. Now comes the sellotape part. अब जैसा कि आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, अब सेलोटेप रोल हो रहा है. Slowly and steadily and again with a firm movement, roll the sellotape over the thread, over the stone. Yes, yes, yes. Keep rolling it until, and you'll feel so once you find that the stone is in proper place. I know it is a little time consuming, but then it's okay. It's better than going and arguing with those people. Finally, your earphone is ready to use and you can now see. Yes, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, it's shining. Wow, very nice. Anyway, have a fun time using your earphones. Go talk to your loved ones, go talk to your boyfriend, go talk to your girlfriend, whatever you have to do, and not disturb the other person, especially in the metro, right? Nobody wants to hear your private conversations. Okay, happy talking. Yay.